bag suitcase.
Okay, start, hon.
Okay. Hi guys. Today we have this suitcase.
Oh, a suitcase? Okay. And how about this bag?
And we have this bag
Okay, this bag.
in here. And this is also cool. It's a 45 bag. Okay.
No, it's a 55.
Sometimes bags or guns have numbers.
Okay.
This is our long bag, and it is. Daddy, what did this say?
It's a
says-
Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton.
Oh, good job, King. Can you say him? It's a Louis.
Louis Vuitton. I'm a police officer.
Okay.
And also, this is 105.
105.
Police officer.
And how much is it, hon?
105.
$105?
No, $100. Yeah, and this is actually Daddy bought it from the mail. And this is also silver.
Good job. Okay, and it's a black bag, right, hon?
Yeah.
So we have an unboxing of a Louis Vuitton
And the bag.
Keepall 55 in Damier Graphite.
Keepall 55 feet. And this is also more colors. This is gold color.
Good job.
And this is white color.
Mm.
And this is black color. Daddy, can we go to Grandma's house?
Okay, wait, okay. So this is their new 2017-2018 LV League
And this is
collection.
And this is my handcuffs for my coats.
Okay. Okay, let Daddy make a video, okay?
Okay.
Okay, gotta.
Daddy, that's
Okay, got the
cool.
large dust bag right there. The larger font.
Daddy, what
Very
does
cool.
this say?
It says Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton?
Yeah, good job, hon. What does it say, hon?
Vuitton. Two things says Louis Vuitton.
Good job, hon. Okay, there it is. I do have the receipt in there. Let's this one retails for $21.70. A bit about $200 more than
and
the regular Keepall.
this
Sorry about
is
that.
a ticket.
Yeah, $21.70.
And this
Okay. So the all right, let me open it up. All right, inspired by the travel stickers and like a college varsity style. Pretty nice.
Daddy,
There.
what does this say?
What does it say, hon?
I don't know.
Remember, hon? Yeah, you remember, hon.
Daddy, what does that say?
It's a Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton?
Yeah, good job.
3 stuff says Louis Vuitton.
Yeah. Good job. See the there and the tricolor
Yeah.
Gaston logo.
And this is our mom.
Travel. There it is. You know. Damier Graphite. Definitely something different. Here, this is more of a varsity theme. Very nice. Right here, classic. It's like an LV Louis Vuitton cup, flag. Okay, got that right there. So, it's just something different than your just average, everyday
And yeah, it's also
Keepall.
Row.
everyday bro.
But the
Okay, got the Newer bags have the pouch inside. It's definitely more convenient when you travel. There's.
Daddy, what's inside?
Okay, open it, huh? Open it.
Okay.
Okay, and see what's inside.
Okay.
Take it out, huh?
It's a silver thing.
Okay, take it out. Whoa!
It's key.
Yeah, and a lock and key?
Yeah, a lock and key.
Good job, man.
Well, it's
Okay, of course, got everything.
Daddy, it's 2 keys.
Strap, leather strap,
Let's put it back inside.
luggage tag.
Dad, I put it back inside.
Beautiful.
Dad, I put it back inside.
And the
already.
holder.
Dad, I put it back inside.
Okay, the handle holder. Very cool. So there we have it. The Louis Vuitton.
Daddy, this says Louis Vuitton.
Oh, good job, hun. Yeah. That's my error there. So we have the unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Keepall 55 in Damier Graphite LV Lee collection.
50.
Definitely goes well with the suitcase, the Pegasus 55 business, also in Damier Graphite. So
Daddy.
perfect set.
Daddy.
Travel.
Daddy.
Okay.
I'll call Daddy. I'll call Ken to go in the video.
Okay, wait, hon. Okay, but we have to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, and what else, hon?
I don't know.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
And
Click this Louis Vuitton.
yeah, okay. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
All right, thanks. Bye.